Hello, viewers. My name is Nirmala, and I'm the founder of Empower Hypnotics and Wellness Center located in Cary, North Carolina. At Empower, we specialize in clinical and transpersonal hypnosis, past life regression therapy, Reiki, and meditation services. We also offer clairvoyant services, which are Akashic Records readings, angel oracle card readings, realm readings, and dream interpretation. In this video, I'm going to talk about the therapy services. During a hypnosis session, I help the client tap into the power of mind by using guided imagery, suggestion, hypnotic techniques to find the root cause of a problem, addiction, behavior, pattern, and release these in the mental, emotional, and physical body. Hypnotherapy is very useful to alleviate stress and anxiety, overcome fears and phobias, quit smoking and other addictions, for weight loss, pain relief, and goal achievement. The spiritual exploration sessions can help in discovering life purpose and connecting the dots when the client feels stuck in any particular area of life. During the past life regression therapy, the client gets a very clear understanding of the connection with people in his or her life and awareness of the experiences from the past womb, childhood, past life that are blocking their progress and happiness now. A past life regression session also helps us understand why we chose the family members we have in our life, why we chose our gender, why we have certain physical, emotional fears and challenges. Reiki is an ancient Japanese alternate healing and wellness system wherein a person's biomagnetic energy or aura is channeled to heal body and mind. During a Reiki session, using systematic hand placements on the various energy centers of the body, I give full body treatments, chakra balancing, and deep healing treatments. I also add crystal stoning and more energy healing techniques like sacred soul heart healing, archangelic light, and shamanic to enhance the session. I also am a Reiki teacher and train the students in this practice by offering first, second, and third degree Reiki attunements. Meditation is one of my favorite tools in my toolbox, and I have personally experienced the benefits of meditation in my life. At Empower Hypnotics and Wellness Center, I offer guided meditation sessions for relaxation and healing. I'm also a meditation instructor and offer meditation courses for basic, intermediate, and advanced level students. Meditation helps the clients go into a deep, calm place within and release the energy blocks on all levels of the body, physical, mental, and emotional. All the details about these services can be found on my website, which is www.empowerhypnoticsandwellnesscenter.com. So to schedule a session, you can email me or call me. My email and phone number are on my website. Thank you for watching this video and look forward to working with you.